Good morning or good day, wherever you are. This is our global series, Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screening, and maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is every day the same, quick and smart. So let's have a nice start like every day. And today it's Thursday, it's 10th of January 2019. Happy New Year if you join us today or this year the first time. We will start like every day with our risk disclaimer. Trading with financial instruments offered by Admiral Markets carries a high level of risk which is not suitable for all investors due to their complex nature. If you are a starter, please start with a demo account to make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you'd like to read the full long version of the risk disclaimer, just visit one of our web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will find the long version there. If you are in the European Union, you still like to be informed about the topic of the year 2018 and maybe still the topic of the year 2019, the ESMA regulation. You will find also, of course, information there on our web pages. Different offers for retail clients, professional clients are now in force. A picture show more than 1,000 words. 2 prominent examples, DAX 30 and euro dollar. The margin requirement could be quite different. Retail clients versus professional clients. If you're a professional trader and you like to get the professional client status, if you're eligible, you can apply for it online. Here you see the specific link. Retail clients still get a big benefit in the European Union. It's called unlimited protection against negative balances. Professional clients don't get it via regulation, but of course some brokers and also Admiral Markets have something additional to offer. It's called negative balance protection policy. According to our policy, you're protected as a professional client up to 50,000 British pounds. All details on how to apply for it online like said. This is me. My name is Jens. I'm the German guy from Admiral Markets. We are a big international Forex and CFD broker. So my English made in Germany, but I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's Day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's Day. On Wednesday, it's Giancarlo's Day. Like today, on Thursday, it's Markus' Day. On Friday, it's Dirk's Day. Our leading day traders live. Every business day, every trading day to the same time. And of course, if you like to trade Forex and CFDs, you will get many benefits only with us. DAX 30, triple split of just 0.9 points, euro dollar, 0.6 pips typical, no commission additional, no minimum stop distance, STP, no dealing desk. Check it out on admiralmarkets.com. You will find all the details. And if you'd like to see what we are doing globally, yes, this is our global series. We have an office in Chile, we have offices in the European Union, and we have an office in Australia. Yes, the choice is yours. Check it out on our webpage if you'd like to do so. And now it's time for our day trader of today. Good morning, good day, Markus. What's your view to the markets today?
Wonderful good morning, everybody around the world, wherever you are. It's a great pleasure for me to guide you through this video and through this webinar. Thanks, Jens, for this great introduction. I will switch to my slides now. And Happy New Year. And I wish you all the best for this new year, now 2019. Happiness, healthiness, and a lot of success and very positive thinking in this year. My approach and my wish for this year is, together with you and together with this great partner, Admiral Markets, build up a great followership, a great trades this year, and a profitable system. And as you can see in this slide, this is my trading approach. Success, like guys, it's not a fantasy; it's a formula. And for me, after 20 years experience in the market, there exists 2 information I need for my trading. First of all, you need a trend, and the second is the price information. If you have a fair price or not a fair price. And you know the behavior of every kind of trading, and the behavior of every kind of price is to go back to a fair price. And based on these 2 informations, I developed 7 rules. We have to stick to the rules. First, you need a trend, a young trend. The correction has to run at least 38% Fibonacci retracement. Then we have to wait in that correction phase to the balance candle, because that's the reason I use Heikin-Ashi version in my charts. Then entry must be outside of the fair value zone, because back from an unfair value price, go to the, can you hear me? Jens, yes?
Yes, 1 or 2 participants writing that you are not to hear, but I hear you clear and great. The recording should be also running. If sometimes you have a technical issue, it could be helpful to log out and log in again. Usually that solves everything. Sorry if you have a single problem, but usually now others writing back that the sound is there, so everything is fine. If not on your side, please log out and log in again. Usually that helps. Sorry for that.
Great, thank you, Jens, for this support here. A little bit confusion from my side. Okay, entry outside of the fair value zone, go back to the fair value zone, and Fibonacci market profile will show you as a target. No guessing anymore. You know your target before you start your trade. That's so comfortable for your trading. And rule number 7, the big picture must support you. We have 3 templates we can use: trend, divergence, or great support and resist. With this in our mind, let's switch to the charts, and we will start with the SP 500. And you can see we were in an unfair value zone down to 2,568 points. And from there, you can see it's so easy. Trading is not a rocket science. Trading at itself is really easy. The big challenge is taking place in your mind, and you must accept the inevitable things that there doesn't exist a 100% approach. You can only work with probabilities in the market. That's the big challenge in trading. And that's the reason why I tell you every week in every webinar, stick to your rules. That's your only chance to survive in the market. But the good news is you can survive. You can be profitable in the market, and you can become a successful trader, but only if you are willing to change your mind, and if you are willing to stick to your rules, what kind of system you are used. Of course, it must be profitable. It must be a stable system. And this is the reason why I'm looking for the big picture. And if I can see there's the support by a trend, by a divergence, or by a big support or resist, and then I switch to the hourly chart, and there I'm looking forward, and I look for my 7 rules, and then I can make a trade. This is a stable system. So first of all, you can see the SP 500, and if we scroll in the chart, you can see a little bit trend. Look at this one: movement, correction, movement. Now we are in the move, and as you can see, we are inside of the red correction, inside of the red zone. Just a moment, please. You can see we are in the red zone, very close to the point of control. This is easy. Back from the green zone, back to the red zone, to the point of control. Fair value price. What can we do now? Of course, to be honest, nothing, because we are among the red zone and we are in the move. So what we have to wait for? We have to wait if you see movement, correction, movement, and then the correction down to the point 2 or at the point of low, and then we can make a long trade back to the point of control. This is my market profile indicator, and I use, of course, my own developed expert advisor. Every information you'll find on my homepage, dowhow-trading.com. So now you have to be patient, you have to be calm. If the price will come back to the point of control at around about, let me see, at around about 2,533 points. And then you can switch in the hourly chart. Not yet, it's a little bit too early. The price must go back. And then you can make your trades based on our 7 rules. For the S&P 500, our rules doesn't fit in that moment. And if your rules doesn't fit, it's forbidden to make trades. Otherwise, it's only an accident, and accidents are not duplicable and consistable. That's forbidden. Believe me, I have 20 years experience in my life with trading, and I made every kind of experience. And this is the only thing what is working in the market. if you have your rules, and if you stick to your rules, and if you do your templates, and if your templates fit, then you can make your trades. But if your templates don't fit, then it's forbidden to make trades in that way. Switch to gold or to the Dow Jones, sorry. Dow Jones, here we are. But you can see the same situation as in SP 500. We use NASDAQ. Here you see what has happened there. Back from the green zone, back to the point of control. It's so easy. And of course, the second information you can see, movement, correction, movement. What is it? It's a trend, no more, no less. Movement, correction, and everything is working by a trend. Every kind of currency, every kind of underlying, whatever you want, it's a trend. What you have to do there? Nothing. If you don't have the support by the big picture, it's not allowed to make trades in your signal chart. You need, for high probabilities, you need the support by your big picture. Only then you can be successful in trading. It's about my trading approach. Of course, maybe you have your own successful trading approach, but I want to show you how I'm working in the market. Okay, I see there's a wish here. We will switch to gold. In gold, I can show you how my system is working. Of course, look at this one. The point of control is placed at $2,322. And we were at August last year down at $1,160. And where's the price? Where went the price? Back to the point of control. Back to the red zone. It's so easy. And how is the market working? How is it working? Always in the same way, by a trend, movement and correction. And you can see, and we had a really big chance to make trades. And as you can see here, you saw the trend movement and you saw the correction with the stabilization at the point of low, the under border of the, not to Mexico, no, to the point of control, to the point, to this value area here. And there you see this balance candle. The market is barking to you, take me at that point. And there you can see a great chance to go long back to the point of control. What you have to do now? Nothing. Why? Yes, you have the information. You are among the red zone. You have already the fair value price. And of course, by the trend, you are in the move. You don't make trades in the move. You make trades outcoming of the correction. Here, you can make your trades in the accumulation phase, not in the distribution phase. Because after every movement, the next correction will come, or I want to say is going to come, because that's the nature of trading. So what you have to do there? Nothing. And as you can see, if you switch to the gold in the hourly chart, you can see where we are here in the unfair value zone, because after this big increase in prices here, you can see we are so far in the unfair value price zone, because in the hourly chart, the fair price is at around $2,223. And the pure nature and the normal behavior of the price is go down. Guys, don't forget one thing. You don't trade gold. You don't trade DAX. You don't trade Dow Jones. You trade the price of that underlyings, not gold. You trade the price of gold. And the price gives you two information. If you have a trend, and where is my price? Unfair valued or fair valued? And this is the pure nature of trading. This is what is working in the market, trend and price information. And now you can see gold daily and gold hourly chart has different words and different impressions that we can see here. In the daily chart, we are in the move among the red zone, very close to its own fair price. But in gold hourly chart, we are in a long trend as well, but in an absolutely unfair value price. So my only opinion about this price, about gold, don't make any trades there. So I can understand if you say, if gold is so much unfair valued and the behavior is to go back, okay, I understand it. But you don't have the support of the daily chart. And you need, for really good trades, you need the support by the daily chart. And here you see the price is very strong and will go back to the point of control. So wait for your chance, but not yet. Maybe we can have a look at the euro against the dollar price. And here you see a really good information. You see where we are since weeks in the fair value price. And very early in my trading career, I always ask me why we have such sideways phases. Why? If we use market profile, if you have the price information, it's so clear because you are in a fair valued price zone, the fair value zone VFC, fair value zone. That's the reason the market says, what do you want from me? I have my fair price. I cannot do anything. I don't have to do anything. It's forbidden to make it trades in the fair value zone. Actually, we can see increasing prices of euro back to the point of control. That's the target, first of all, but no chances for our in hourly chart, because you can see we in same as gold, we are in the upper unfair value zone. And first of all, we need an increasing price to make long trades there. So stay calm, guys. Be patient. We will get a lot of chances. Let me show you one trading chance for the next weeks, for the next days. Let's have a look at New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. What was happened there? About the flash crash by the Chinese traders down to 69 Japanese yen. But the immediately increasing prices and retaliatory prices here, and now you can see a stabilization. Let me paint it for you that you can see it very clearly. You can see the stabilization at the point of control. It's the lower border of the fair value zone. And look a little bit back. Here you can see a great support. This is your signal. This is the one of the three templates in the big picture, a great support, because the flash crash was not fundamental based. This was only a flash crash by the Chinese traders. But now you can see a stabilization again, like couples of weeks and months ago, here at the point of low. And now the situation is really clear. Probabilities, probably very clear. We only can work with probabilities in the market, not with securities, not with safety, only with probabilities, and the price will go back to the point of control. So this is our big picture, and we can see here we have the support by the big picture. And now let's switch to the hourly chart if we have a chance there. Yes, we have. First of all, we are in the lower green zone, and we have the point of control above of us. We want to go back, same in the daily chart, you remember. And now we need to wait to our 7 rules. We need a trend, we need the correction, a young trend. And now I put my expert advisor and says him, if you, and yes, and I say him, If you have my 7 rules, then make the trades. You can make it by yourself. Then you have to wait. If you will find here a trade, let's paint it for you. A trade, movement, correction, movement, correction, at least 38%, balance candle, and then fire free back to the point of control. This is my trading approach. This is my trading proposal for you, New Zealand, Japanese yen, for the next days. If you want to follow, go on forexfactory.com. Dowhow Master is my name there. There you can follow all my trades. And yes, I hope you learned a little bit about my trading approach. And I'm very grateful and I'm very thankful to Admiral Markets that we can make these English webinars here. My English is in German as well, but I hope you understood it, what I have to say. And I want to say to you, I wish you a great success in trading and have a nice day and a wonderful week, the rest of the week. And with this in our mind, don't forget, guys, be careful about your thoughts. They are the beginning of your actions. Back to Jens.
Thanks for today. Tomorrow is another day. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. So if you like our series, tomorrow, same time, same place, and a new day trader. And if you like to see and watch that again from Markus, in a couple of hours, it will be available on our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com/AdmiralMarketsFX. All the time, good trades. Greetings from Berlin office. See you. Bye-bye.